Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to apply voice effects to your TikTok videos. In order to use voice effects, your video must include your own voice. So to do this, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign and create a video. Don't forget to include your voice in it. For example, a video of you giving a commentary or the other person speaking. Now once that is complete, you come into TikTok's editing screen. Here, tap on voice effects, which is at the top right of the screen. You'll be given a choices of voice effect at the bottom, which you can apply to your voice. Tap on any of the choice and hear your voice change into the option you have chosen. So, for example, the chipmunk is quite funny and it'll make you sound like a chipmunk. You can even give your voice a live feeling by selecting mic, and there are other large selections of choices you can choose from. Once you're happy with the selection, tap on the video and it will return back to the editing screen. This will save the selection which you have selected. Review your clip and you will hear your voice being changed to something else. And that is how to apply the voice effects to your voice on TikTok. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If this was helpful to you, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.